All right, you guys, so we're moving on to the next 2 pages in the packet from section 3.1. So these 2 pages are solving two-step equations, which we've done, so this would be a good review for all of us. This is page, I believe, 25, and it's explaining 2 examples here, and then they have some practice problems down at the bottom. I'm going to work out these 3 practice problems with you guys, okay? And then you need to do the following page, okay? Again, 2 examples up at the following page, and then you guys have a total of 9 problems here at the bottom. So back to this page. We'll do these problems down here at the bottom. I'm going to rewrite them on a separate paper just because I write so big. And you guys can do this as well on your assignment. If you would rather rewrite the problems in your composition book, you guys can do that as well too, okay? So here's our first problem. Okay, so two-step equations. Our goal is to solve for the variable. First, we need to combine our like terms, okay? So this is my term with my coefficient and my variable. I have a constant, and then I have another constant. So your constants need to be combined. Well, we need to move this to the other side, okay? And how do we move it? Well, we need to undo the operation. Right now, we're adding 3. So the opposite of adding 3 would be subtracting 3. Okay, and again, if you guys want to draw this line, you can draw the line. And you need to subtract 3 from this side. Okay, so then next line, we're going to move our 4a down. Okay, so we have, bring this down, we have 4a. Well, we know 3 minus 3 is just 0. So we have our equal sign. And then on this side, you need to add or combine. Okay, you have 5 negatives and you have 3 negatives. So how many total negatives do we have? We have 8. Okay, so we're almost done. I don't want to know what 4a's equal. I need to know what 1a equals. So again, you need to undo this operation. This is my coefficient, this is my variable. They're being multiplied. So the opposite of multiplying would be dividing. By 4, divide by 4. So 4 divided by 4 gives us 1a. And negative 8 divided by 4 gives us negative 2. And you need to go back and check that. Okay, so you're telling me that a is negative 2. So if I put negative 2 here, okay, I'm going to have 4 times negative 2 plus 3 equals negative 5. Does that make sense? Well, if I multiply this, this is going to give me negative 8 plus 3. And negative 8 plus 3 is negative 5. So you guys know this answer will work, okay? So the next example, we have, again, this is on this page, okay? Page 25, I believe. So we have, we're going to do example 2. Y divided by 3 plus 4 equals 7. Okay. Again, you need to combine your like terms. So I have my constants here. Let's combine our constants. Well, you need to undo this. So the opposite of adding 4, subtracting 4 from both sides. Okay. So we're going to bring our y divided by 3 down. Well, 4 minus 4 is 0, so we don't need that anymore. And on this side, 7 minus 4 is 3. Okay, well right now, y is being divided by 3. The opposite of dividing by 3 would be multiplying by 3. So over here, you need to multiply by 3. Okay, well, when we multiply, okay, remember we can add a 1 to any whole number as a denominator. Doesn't change the value. So we cross cancel here. We're just left with y. We would be left with y over 1, which basically equals just y, okay? So then let's bring down this equal sign, and now 3 times 3 is 9. So go back up here and tell me, does that work? Well, if this is 9, then I would have 9 divided by 3 plus 4 equals 7. Is that going to work for us? Well, 9 divided by 3 is 3. And is 3 plus 4 7? Yes. Okay.